So let's look at the structure of Ethereum on a weekly time frame with the way the market is going. The only way to interpret the market accurately is to move to a higher time frame, and that's exactly what I'm doing right now. So it's a very critical time for those who are doing crypto. I think this year we are coming in fully, and I want to include crypto into my analysis since all that it takes is the understanding of market structure and its application in real time. So let's see if we can get the structure of Ethereum accurately. The goal in every chart is to see the level of accuracy. So I think I want to watch out for, let's watch out for three positions here. You see how market weekly candle closed there on that floor. I want to change the color to black. So I'm more concerned about that floor since is where market has closed. I don't know if price is going to come back there. I don't know if price is going to come back there. But to put it into perspective, let's look at what price has done. We have here as SR, that's a support become resistance and breaker structure. We have another structure here. In fact, a W structure. Let me take one leg of the W structure. Then we have another one here. That's a final confirmation on a weekly candle close, and that was a buy continuation. You know, that was a buy continuation. So technically, here is very tentative on this floor. But the price action I want you to note that is very important here is what market has done here. And when price return, if you take away the line chart, you see market have reacted beautifully on that structure. And price hinge exactly on that trend. It hit exactly on this structure. So let me change the color to blue. So I'm going to change it to blue. And if you look at it again, we have a core ascending trend line running from 2020. From 2020, we made a strong stop on that same structure, and we returned there, and we came retested it again. So now nobody can actually tell if, but from what I see here is I think the market is looking for liquidity. The market might want to reset. The market want to reset most likely. So I think let's see. I've already put a detail on this, and from your line chart, I am rooting for this demand floor. I'm rooting for it. I'm rooting for this guy. You know, everybody has somebody he's rooting for. So I'm rooting for this price action. Now, the technical formation at this level is what I want. I'm looking for buy confirmation on this trend. Okay, this is what I'm looking for. So if you catch a price action on this descending trend line, it's a confirm buy. Yes, it's a confirm buy. So if you catch it, that means you're a legend. If you catch it, you're not you're a legend in the game. If you catch it, you're a legend. So let me see if it's something that is workable. A return into that descending trend line acting as dynamic support. And I want to put the price action into context. We have here as ROS. We have here as another ROS. And we have here as ROS again before we got a break of structure. And we return here as SR. And we return here as another SR. If you take away the wicks, you will appreciate it. Price reacted there and leave. So technically, if we see price over here, that will be a reset moment around 800 for the market to move and retrend. But however, one thing that is worthy of note at the moment is to see that we watch this weekly close at this level. You need to watch weekly close at this level. It's important because it will be a guide whether you are to continue selling or you look for buy. You want to see price. Look at this level. Very strong and beautiful. Very strong and beautiful. Believe me, the price action here, one of the things that have given it its impetus is resistance at this level, resistance at this level, resistance at this level again, break of structure, retest. So if price comes back to that level, most likely you will look for buy opportunity. Yes, most likely. And the case scenario could be a pushback. So I will watch if the market manages to I don't know, but for me, I really want a push into the structure and get rejected or form a W structure and go back. That's what I want. And go back at least here. Here we call for a retest, a temporary retest based on the structure at that level, which is also okay to recognize it. The price action is also similar to what we have here as a resistance structure, and we have here as a support structure. So that's a technical resistance or supply roof. So I'm done sharing perspective on Ethereum. I wish you good luck. Bye bye for now.